Alright, quick little garden update. I know I've mentioned it in the past, but I'll say it again. If you want to know how not to do things in the garden, follow this channel, because this contraption you see here, it's not going to work. I didn't research or plan first. I didn't plan ahead, so I have to take it down, and I'll be setting up different frames. It'll be two separate ones. I got some soil down in this bed yesterday with compost. Last bit of corn here. It's all up. Look at those roots though, it's so cool. Those aerial roots. This is corn from Central America. We're gonna have these seeds to share with our community here. Hopefully get these seeds out in 2023. Here's our garlic coming up nicely. Got some more soil down here. The other day, 2 peach trees in, 1, 2. Compost is looking good. Gonna have to turn that soon. And actually, I'm gonna use some of that compost to fill. I'm doing a raised bed here. I have 3 raised beds here, and these are gonna be for flowers and herbs. So we have one here, and the other one that I tried to transport is supposed to go here, but it fell apart. So you can blame the person who created that one, or made that one. That was me. It did not last. Here's some of the soil we're going to use to fill. Yeah, it's almost the end of the year, almost the end of 2022, and garden is cleaned up, and we will be starting seeds inside in the next probably 6 weeks, starting them early. Especially this corn here, because I read this corn takes 6 to 9 months to mature fully. So we want to get this started early. It's going to be fun. That'll be fun to grow. Maybe get it above 15 feet, like I was reading. All right. Well, hope everyone else is having a wonderful end of the year.